Russian accent.
Russian accent.
Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
Good. How are you?
I'm great, thank you. Where from?
I'm from Somalia. How about you?
Oh, Somalia, nice. I'm from Japan.
Konnichiwa.
Konnichiwa. Yeah.
I love Japan, wallahi.
Oh, thank you.
I watch a lot of Ghibli movies. So
Ghibli
I love
movies.
anime. Yeah.
Wow, that's so nice. You know other phrases?
Like baka. I know baka.
Oh, that's so surprising.
What's your name?
Kazuma.
Kazma.
Maga.
What did you say?
Maga.
How did you know that? How did you know that? That's crazy.
Mahadsanit.
No way. How? You know Somali?
Yeah, a little bit, yeah.
Oh my gosh. Magacayga Anisa.
Anisa.
Yeah.
Anisa. Russian accent.
Nice to meet you. Russian accent. Oh my gosh. That's wonderful.
Thank you. Said hi.
Ofi'anahe.
Do you live in Mogadishu?
Yeah.
Why hi. You speak Somali and English?
Yeah, Arabic?
Arabic.
Yeah.
لماذا؟
الله.
الله.
أنت تتكلم اللغة العربية.
أتكلم اللغة العربية. I don't.
You know, like why I learn Arabic because I'm Muslim. So, if you're Muslim and then you learn in Arabic,
I
so that's
see.
why I learn. But the Arabic is good.
It's a beautiful language, yeah. Somali also.
Japan is also.
Thank you. Oh, nice to meet you.
Okay, nice to meet you.
Russian accent. Lapat Kelio.
But Galio.
Lapat Kelio.